Is your home ready for Florida's unpredictable weather? At Stateline Gutters, we know how crucial it is to protect your home from water damage. Ever wondered why gutter installation is so important for Florida homes? Florida's unique climate, with its heavy rains and hurricanes, demands a robust gutter system. Proper gutters channel water away from your home, preventing costly damage to your foundation, walls, and landscaping. Stateline Gutters is a veteran-owned and operated company offering top-notch services with years of experience. Our team uses high-quality materials and provides exceptional customer service. Our professional installation process is efficient and thorough. We start with a detailed assessment, use the best tools and materials, and ensure everything is installed perfectly. Professional installation means long-lasting protection for your home. Protect your home with the best? Choose Stateline Gutters. Contact us today for a consultation and safeguard your home against Florida's weather.